In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a watcher on tasks in ClickUp. So when you talk of a watcher, this is just a person you have assigned to oversee the progress of any assignment or any tasks in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So to get started, first you need to go to your space and then choose the project under which the task is. So mine is under project 1. Now these are all the tasks that are under this project. However, there is one project that I assigned someone. You can see there is a assignee here, and I'd like to go ahead and add a watcher or someone to oversee the progress of this task. To do that, just hover over the task and then click on this box here. Once you click on it, we'll have now this bar and go to more here. And from this, you see we have quite a number of options such as status, date, priorities, and so many others. Of important is these watchers. Go ahead and click on it and then go ahead and add a name to this. So you'll see a list of all the users that are available. You can now go ahead and add that person as a watcher. So you can see one watcher added. So that's how you can add a watcher on a task in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.